Hey, Bolo buddies, thanks for watching. All right, you guys, in this video, I'm going to feature a seller who sells a little bit of everything. And I am always super, super impressed by the items that she sells. So here's my Bolo Buddies Facebook group. Come on over and join. At the top, there's a featured um, section where you can share your best monthly Bolo. If you share 15 or 20 in a row, I will feature you just like I'm featuring this seller. Make sure if you can message me with questions if you want to be featured, Instagram or Facebook Bolo Buddies if you have questions about being featured. Okay, so here's her eBay store. Definitely check her out. Jolly's Treasure Emporium. I've featured her before. She always shares awesome, awesome bolos. But what you will see is her store is super diverse and she sells really cool stuff. I feel like when I was selling all the time on eBay, I still sell on eBay, but not as much as I used to because I'm over on Whatnot. But I was kind of the same way. I would pick up anything and everything that I thought would flip for a good profit. So I always love her solds because they remind me of things that I would pick up, except for the glass. I'm not a big glass person. All right, let's start with this one. She said, I just sold 2 more of the vintage Gaffer's coffee cups. I bought at a yard sale for 25 cents each. Person reached out and wanted these 2 for $50 plus shipping. Said his mother and wife used to work there. I took the offer. I love these messages and getting items to people that want to surprise people. Picture of the other one is in, okay, so I've got a picture of the second one. So this is the first one, and I'm going to show you what they look like. So paid a quarter for each and sold 2 for 50. And there's the bottom. So sometimes it's not always that the item is a huge money bolo, but it's something that there's not a lot of that people are looking for. And here's the second one. And they're from the 90s. So very cool. And mugs are pretty easy to ship. The thing that's hard about mugs is I feel like the shipping is kind of high, which makes it harder to price the mug higher. So just really depends. All right, this one here is a Beatrix Potter Peter Rabbit. And this girl, she can sell some baby blankets. I mean, when I think of her, I think of, wow, she is a baby blanket seller. Bought this baby blanket, listed for a while, finally sold for 61 during a 15% off sale. Bought it for $3. And this is, again, Jolly's Treasure Emporium. You guys go check out her store on eBay. You can do an advanced search by seller and you can see what she's selling and other items she sold that she didn't share. Rebel Athletic AM Cheerleading Uniform Empire. Look at that. You'd think that'd take a long time to sell, right? Maybe it did. I don't know. Found this cheerleading uniform in the kids section at the Goodwill for $2.60 each. I got home and looked up their website. These are so expensive. Mine was heavy and really good quality. Listed it really high. And she got $100 within a few weeks. Wow. I took, but keep thinking, should I have waited? But glad it sold. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, because it says Empire, is that the brand or is that like a type of cheerleading squad or dance uniform? I don't know. Cheerleading uniform. So I didn't know if Empire was like a school or a team. I don't know. This one, look, I told you she's a baby blanket selling machine. This one is Carter's. Carter's. Not even super fancy. I mean, it didn't sell for crazy money, but you see these at every garage sale for like 50 cents, right? She said, I bought this child of mine blanket for $2. It sold in less than a month for 20. Look at that, you guys. Easy to list, easy to ship. Baby blankets. Bought these men's Koofandy, never heard of that, gray cargo pants for $3 at a church sale. Sold in a few weeks for $31. Okay, let's look at the tag. Koofandy. Never heard of that. Never heard of that one. Okay, here's the next one. Waterford Holiday Heirloom Avoca Splendor Ball. Waterford is definitely always, you should look it up. Bought this holiday ornament for $2 and sold it for $91 in 2 months. Mighty Mightor cartoon DVD complete set, 1967 to 1968 in color. Look at that, you guys. Oh my goodness. Bought a few of these DVD movies I hadn't heard of, but looked interesting for 25 cents each at an estate sale. Sold for 45 and it's going to Italy. It's Mighty Mightor cartoon. That is a hoot. Ever heard of it? I have not. Timberland 100% lamb's wool XXL men's brown sweater. Bought this at let's see, $5, doesn't say where. Sold for 35 in 2 months. 5 into 35, nice flip. This is a Ralph Lauren Glen Plaid Crystal Clear Goblet. Look at this, you guys. Are you ready? Went to the Goodwill and started Google lensing some drinking glasses, and these popped up as a Ralph Lauren. I said to myself, how would you know? Well, it'll say it on them. I was freaking out that they had 5 and they were $1 each. It's hard to tell shape. I kept trying to do research. I listed high, and within a week, I got a $125 offer on 3 of the glasses each. So 375 plus shipping, and still have 2 left. Yeah, normally, yeah. See, I've had some that are marked RL or LRL for Lauren, Ralph Lauren, and they usually put it on the rim of the glass like that. Yep. Yep. Wow. $375. She's flipped 3 of them for her. That is fabulous. iCarly Build-A-Bear outfit. It is the top and skirt on the hanger from 2010. Sold another Build-A-Bear outfit I got from a church sale. The whole bag was $5, new with tags. This is iCarly, and it sold for $25. I bought this belt for $3. It's genuine leather, Western cowgirl, been listed since November, sold for $22. So it took a little longer to sell, but 3 into 22 is a great profit. The Queen's Code, Allison Armstrong, paperback, crisp pages, barely read. Bought this book for $1 from my local library. They have a small section where they put some books up for sale. It sold really fast for $20. So fast sale on this one. Want that? I don't do books. I don't know. I don't want to scan them. I don't want to do it. I know there's good money, and like some of the cookbooks, especially some of those go for crazy money. Search cookbooks sold. You'll be amazed. I found this new sealed Splendor board game at a church thrift for $1 and sold within weeks for $20. It is Splendor board game unopened, sealed by Mark and Andre, brand new. Don't know. Never heard of it. Look at these boots. Bought these lacrosse. Yeah, lacrosse buckle traction outsole men's black rubber size 12 boots. They're like water boots, right? Traction boots. $9 at the Goodwill and sold for $53 in less than a month. Another baby blanket. I bought this baby blanket for $2. It had wear, but sold for $42 during a 15% off sale. Wow. Look at that. Baby Looney Tunes vintage baby throw blanket, Tweety Bug Bunny, Sylvester quilted reed. I always put read in the title too, in all caps, if I want somebody to look at the description. Tahari, it's a jacket blazer suit purple, size 6 petite. Yeah, I had a hard time selling petite clothing, especially stuff like this. So I don't know. Let's see if she says how long it took to sell. February has been slow, but thank goodness I have sold some higher priced items. I bought this blazer and skirt for $3 at my favorite church and sold in 1 month. Wow. $27. I can't believe it sold that quick. That's fabulous. Maybe I just don't know what's trending. But this is back in the day. I haven't sold clothes for a long time. And most of the clothes I did were retail arbitrage. So they were usually current styles because I was buying them in stores. Double D Ranch, medium leather vintage jacket, studded Western snake print. Check it out. Woo! Got this jacket, same estate. So I bought the Juicy Couture and deerskin shirt. I believe I paid $5 or less. It had storage smell. Also put in description, it's Double D Ranch leather jacket. I listed it really high, took an offer of $140, been listed since November. eBay store is Jolly's Treasure Emporium. All right, you guys, give her a follow. Go over to the Facebook group. Looks like this. At the top, there is a share post. Every month I do this. If you want to be featured, 15 to 20 items, just like she did. Tell me where you got it, what you paid for it, what it sold for. Make sure the item sold for over $50, or if it's just something totally unexpected or something that sold fast, I consider all of those things kind of a Bolo item. It doesn't always have to be the highest sold, but maybe things that people are going to look past and walk past. And I am going to do my Bolos, bread and butter and big money, all in the same videos this month. And they will be separate videos of things that I'm selling. I'm starting to try to build up my eBay store again. So stay tuned for those. Things are moving out. You know, wherever you put your work, that's where you're going to see success. And again, go check out Jolly's Treasure Emporium. Again, she's got just a wide variety of, I don't know if I can't see, does it tell me how? She has 2,300 items for sale. So lots to look at over there if you guys want to go check it out. Go and check her out. Look at all the baby blankets. Check it out. All right, you guys, thank you so much for being here. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share, and I will see you at the next one. Thanks for watching.